Hello everyone, welcome to today's NEC license exam final hour preparation series. In this video, we will solve 10 of the most repeated and expected questions from the topic soil mechanics and foundation engineering. Okay, let's get started. First question. The ratio of weight of water to the weight of solid in soil is called. The correct answer is water content. Water content it is the ratio of weight of water to the weight of solid, whereas void ratio it is the ratio of volume of voids to the volume of solid. Similarly, porosity it is the ratio of volume of voids to the total volume. Similarly, degree of saturation it is the ratio of volume of water to the volume of voids. The ratio of volume of voids to the volume of solids in soil is called. As we have talked earlier, the correct answer is void ratio. Which soil has the highest compressibility? The correct answer is clay. Clay expands and contracts a lot, so it is the most compressible. Sand and gravel, they are almost incompressible soils. Which soil has the highest shear strength? The correct answer is sand. Well compacted sand shows high shear strength. The commonly used method for determining liquid limit of soil is called. The correct answer is Casagrande's apparatus. The Proctor test it is also known as the compaction test, and it is used to determine the optimum moisture content and maximum dry density. Similarly, Casagrande's apparatus it is used to determine the liquid limit or an Atterberg limit. Similarly, triaxial test is used to determine the shear strength, and the shear box test is used to determine the direct shear strength of the soil. Which foundation is most suitable for the black cotton soil? The correct answer is pile foundation. Black cotton soil swells and shrinks, so isolated or strip footing will crack. In order to transfer load to the harder strata, piles are used. Okay. If the present effective overburden pressure on the soil is less than past effective pressure, the soil is said to be. The correct answer is over consolidated. The normally consolidated soil is the soil in which present stress is equals to maximum past stress. Similarly, over consolidated soil means the past stress is greater than the present stress, and under consolidated soil means the soil which is still consolidating. Standard Proctor test is used to determine, as we have discussed earlier, it is used to determine the optimum moisture content. According to the Tejarzi, ultimate bearing capacity of soil depends on. The correct answer is it depends on both cohesion and angular friction. As you can see in the formula, the ultimate bearing capacity of soil depends on both cohesion and angular friction. The depth at which soil pressure becomes constant due to footing load is called. The correct answer is influence depth. The depth at which the vertical stress from the footing is effectively constant or insignificant is called the influence depth, whereas critical depth it is the depth beyond which additional settlement or stress is negligible. Please check the playlist for further solved questions of other topic. If you like the video, please do subscribe. Until then, thank you for watching and best of luck for the preparation.